I want to show you one of the best trading robots you will see online today. This robot has been able to navigate different market conditions and come out profitable. I'm introducing the Wealth Ego 1.0 to you. We're going to backtest this robot with Euro US dollar on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's click the backtest and see it has started backtesting. Just give it some time. It has started. It has taken the first trade. It will soon close. Now it started, made some profit and dropped. You will see this kind of drawdowns periodically, but overall, let's look at what this robot is going to do. If you look at the performance of the robot so far, you can see here, we started with a little drawdown, then it came back, adjusted itself and started trading. Then this also happened. You will be seeing this kind of thing periodically, but the robot is able to manage those periods of drawdown and ensure that the equity is always pointing up. If you look at the result, this was what we saw after taking all these trades. It closed here. So whenever it is closing, it closes a chunk of trade at the same time. So you will see that the robot keeps on making money. You can see it. We're still back testing. Look at the equity curve. You can trade this robot with $1,000. You can trade it with $10,000. You can trade it with $100,000. It depends on the amount of money you want to trade with. You can also trade a pro firm account. Okay, but I do not encourage anybody to trade with less than 1,000 USD because this period of drawdown will happen. Although there are minor drawdowns that the robot is able to handle. We have tested it with $1,000. It works fine. It works fine with $10,000. So if you are interested in getting this robot, check the description of this video for my WhatsApp. You can chat me directly and then we'll be able to set it up for you. Another thing is that we can also set this robot on VPS, okay, so that the trades can go on automatically. You don't need to be logging into the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 all the time to trade. It will trade for you on cloud, and then anytime that it makes profit, it will send you a alert. You can monitor it on your phone. So let's look at the report. Now this is the report. The profit factor is 2.91. Maximum drawdown was around 13%, although it can be better. 87% of the trades were profitable, while 12% were not. So we have a win rate of 87%. Then if you analyze everything, consecutive wins were 7, while consecutive losses were just 1. So this is the detail of the robot. This is the Wealth Ego 1.0 bot. If you want to get it, check the description of this video and chat me directly, and then we can discuss how you will get it. If you also want to build your own trading robot, if you have an idea that you feel like this idea can be a profitable trading robot and you want us to build it for you, check the description of the video. You can chat me directly. If you have any question or any challenge when it comes to building a robot, you can also ask it in the comments. See you in the next.